Welcome to Androidia. Today in this video I will show you how to add different transitions to your videos using InShot application. With InShot you can edit your photos and videos on your Android and iOS devices. This is a actually not completely free application, but free application offers a lot of features. A paid version is also available, and pro version is not really expensive at all. Here you can see if you want to remove watermark, you just need to pay around $2 and or you can pay around $22 a one-time purchase, which is a one-time purchase, and then you can use all InShot Pro features. But you can also use free version to edit your videos, and you can export your videos without any watermark. So let's select a video. Here we have different videos, so let's select this 16-second clip. This is a screen recording. Now if you want to remove watermark, tap on X, and now you just need to watch an ad for a few seconds and then it will remove your watermark without paying them. So select this clip. You have option to trim, speed and other options. So you can see if you go to trim, we have three options. We can trim, you can do it very easily. Then we have cut option, and we can also split this video. So let's try to split. Now we have two clips. We can also trim this clip further. So if we go to split, now we have all these options. So now let's split this video. Okay, this duration is too short. And now you can see we have these three clips. So now if you want to add transition or other effects, let's select this clip, and now we have this filter option. So tap on filter, then go to effects, and first of all we have glitch effect, and then we have many other effects. So let's apply glitch effect and play this video, and now you can see we have this glitch effect on our video. If we go back to filter effects, we have many other effects such as neon, RGB and many other effects. So let's try this print effect. Hit OK, and let's play our video. So this is a simple and easy way to add different transition and effects to your videos using InShot application. Thank you very much for watching this video.